Glam fam, so today I have a really exciting video. We are going to be reviewing another wig, and this wig is from Eva Hair. And if you guys have never heard of Eva Hair, they are an amazing wig supplier online. I love their wigs. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys this one. So today we're going to be going in and teaching you how to slay a wig, a synthetic wig, to make it look more real and believable that it is your own hair. Let's get into this. This is the packaging. It is a really nice, stable, white box. The wig is inside right here. Open it again, and you get a little wig cap, which is really nice. There's two of them in here. This wig is called the Hot Instagram Color Ombre Pastel Pink Synthetic Lace Front Wig. I'm sorry, I had to look it up because I knew it was a mouthful for the name of this wig. And so it is a beautiful light pink ombre wig, and we are going to take it out of its packaging right now. Oh my, can't keep it in, I'm too excited. Here's the wig. It is a very well made wig. This is the lace. It is extremely comfortable lace, and it is stretchy and it is movable, and the hairline on this wig is actually really nice, like really nice. But here is the whole wig. This is the top, and then it ombres into this beautiful curly pattern pink cotton candy hair. This is a 26-inch wig, so if you can see it, that goes pretty low, and it's beautiful. Also, this wig comes with two clippies here on each side of the wig behind the lace. One here, and then it also has the adjustable straps in the back, which makes it so that you can make it a little tighter or not tight at all, and then it also comes with the clip in the back as well. So let me just throw this on real quick without, putting my hair up or anything. I just want to see what the hairline looks like. This lace, it's literally a dream. The lace is just a dream. You can see, guys, like, look how nice that hairline is. And we are going to cut this lace off, and I will zoom into this so you can see how I'm doing it. I'm gonna show you guys up close and personal how I cut the wig. So I start on one end. This is one end of the lace. I like to leave just a smidge of lace in front of the hair, just to make sure I'm not actually cutting into that hairline, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna keep cutting, following the hairline on the wig. And it is incredibly important to not cut into that hairline, because that is what's gonna make the wig look so real. Take your time with this step. It is one of the most important steps of the whole entire wig process. So getting ready for the wig is, I like to take my hairnet. Now, they did send me two hairnets, but I really prefer the netted kind over the solid kind, but these will work just fine if you are ordering a wig from them. I like the open kind, and it's netted, and I just like to put it over all of my hair. What I do is flip my head upside down, then I will pull the net up. So first, pull it up and over your face, like that, and then pull it up and over your hair. And just keep pulling up, and then stuff the hair into the center, and then there we go. Sometimes I will bobby pin this over so that it doesn't come out. So I'm just going to tighten these straps a little bit into the wig cap, just like so. And so what I do now is I will place it onto my head here, hold it with one hand, like my hand is open, wow, hello. My hand is open like this across my forehead, and then I will find the bottom clip, make sure the bottom clip is up so it's out, and then pull back and just place that bottom clip underneath the hairnet. So then, once that is done, I like to take the two pieces in the front that are clips, bring them forward, and push those underneath the hairnet as well. And then pull the wig back to however far we want our hairline to sit. Alright, here's the wig on. It's beautiful, but I would like to just make these hairs here a tiny bit more sporadic. So what I like to do is just go in and tweeze the hairs out that I want to make it look more natural on my hairline. I'm just gonna do a little bit of tweezing near the front so you guys can see what it's like and how to do it. What I like to do is I like to press it up and then see which ones I'm gonna pull out. Don't pull out too many at a time because then it looks patchy. So just go in and just where you feel like there shouldn't be so much hair, just pluck them out. And to be honest, Eva hair is, it's already very natural and very spread out, so you don't need much, but I just like to do this. My hairline is very sporadic and just very fine and thin, so even if it was a pre-plucked, completely pre-plucked wig, it would still, for my natural hairline, need to be plucked. I'm just using a regular brush for this because I can't find my wig brush, and I'm sorry for that. Start from the bottom. Look, oh my God. Guys, look how amazing this wig is. Alright, so there is one more step that you can do to make this look more natural, and that is use some concealer that matches your skin tone and just press it into where your part line is. Just like to press it here and go back. Just like that. See, even just that makes it look so much better. And so then what I do is I go in with my finger and I just blend it out. I am very, very impressed. And normally I would also say that you should spray your wig with dry shampoo, but this wig is not overly shiny and it actually doesn't need dry shampoo, which is very amazing in my opinion. So if you would like to check out Eva Hair, I will link their website down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more Eva Hair wigs, and they have some amazing synthetic wigs and so many different kinds, so many awesome bright colors, so many beautiful natural colors. Pretty much everything you could ever imagine in any wig, they pretty much have. If you would like to check them out, I will link them down below. Look how bouncy it is. Look how bouncy and flowy it is. Like, look at that. Really quick, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. It is that red button and it's free, and if you click it and then click the bell notification on, you will never miss another one of these tutorials. And I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I talk to y'all mostly over on those platforms. We'll talk to you guys later. I love you guys so much. Bye!